Hello everyone. So today, on part of the same series of tracking the Q2 FY25 results, I have come up with another good company, which is Nubhama Wealth Management. This company is into wealth management space, basically managing the money and asset of HNIs, that is high net worth individuals. This company is reporting very good numbers since 3 to 4 quarters, and in fact, entire management space is booming with flows because of the strong equity market. And you can see the revenues numbers from 927 to 949 to 1051. The quarter on quarter there is strong growth, along with year on year 51%, 43%, and 43% growth. Operating margin from 50 in March 24 to 52 in June 24 to 54 now in September 24, and part 181, 221, and 257. So in and around more than 80%, 79, 80% growth in part, and but the PE, the TTM PE is 27, 29, and 29. So what does this tells about? It's basically the stock is riding on the back of strong earnings, but a PE re-rating is maybe on the cards. I am thinking that maybe on the cards because you see, the stock is in a sideways pattern with the contracting volume. You can you can check the contracting volume. The volumes are little bit lower on this part, and it is contracting, going sideways. And after the good results, this company's share price just it flew through the roof by about 33 to 34% in just 1 week. Imagine in 8 trading days, it went 33, 35% because just the action is brewing here because of the good results and volume contraction pattern. Now the stock is from 1st August. You can say that we have passed 2 to 3 months, and the stock is in a sideways pattern facing strong resistance around 7,000 and having taken good support in 5,500 rupees. And now it has reported very good results. That is, you can see the revenue 43%, 77% increase in part, but the TTMP is also now 29. So on part of the volume contraction pattern, you see the stock went from this to this 45% from bottom to the top, then it contracted. If you see from the high, it fell about around 18%. Now again it tried to break out, but the breakout failed, and again it fell down to up to 13%. So from 20 to then 12, 13%, then maybe another due to market weakness, the persisting market weakness, it may fall around maybe 5 to 6%, and then again bounce back to the new high on back of very good results and the strong chart pattern. Now, if you see the investors' interest and participation, you can check that FIs have significantly increased stake from 6.7 to around 13.9%. And the DAs are also increasing stake, but these are like not much increase, and the stock is moving from the retail hands to the institutional ownership. Now, check the mutual fund ownership from May to September. The blue bar is the number of mutual fund holding the stock from 15 to it went up to 26, and the green bar is every month how many number of funds are buying the stock, which is 13, and one mutual fund is selling the stock. And month on month, you can see 13, 17, 19, 19, and 18. And how many funds are selling the stock? 1, 1, 3, 6. So, which is quite low, and so month on month also more number of mutual funds are buying this stock, and cumulative number wise if you see the mutual fund had cumulatively held around 88,000 shares in May 2024, and now it has increased to 1,29,000, and month on month they are also incrementally buying the stock. So which is a very good sign that the stock in this part is moving from retail people to institutional ownership. That is what Mark Minervini says, that in this period of consolidation, the stock moves from the weak hands to the strong hands. along with very good results. I happened to go through the con call of this company, and interesting thing I interesting insight rather I gained from that con call is, suppose the promoters are making money, the retailers are making money, these net worth individuals, the money ultimately has to come back to the market, right? Through these wealth management companies. Because if your GDP grows by, suppose, 7% real GDP plus inflation 4 to 5%, 12, 13%, and market gives them corporate profits are going by 15 to 20%, then again it has to come back to the market through these management companies. And this company is now uh, opening its branches in Dubai and deploying more relationship and service managers. So, and also India, in the tier two cities like Baroda, Nagpur, so I think it is a long way, as you all know that this kind of businesses require very less capital to deploy, and the revenue and part depends upon the asset under management. So that is going through the roof. Yes, with market correction, there may be some kind of a subdued, maybe next quarter, maybe a flat quarter, but the long-term story is intact. And along with that, institutional ownership, so one can consider the stock, read a little bit, con calls and reports, and may wish to invest. Thank you so much.